Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a simple yet delicious dish, wok-seared potato slices with pork. The potatoes develop a beautifully golden, fragrant crust while staying soft and flavorful inside, combined with savory pork. Let's get started. Start with the potato. Wash them thoroughly, peel them and then slice them. Not too thin, around 3 to 5 milliliters is fine, so they retain a nice texture when cooked. Rinse the slices in water to remove excess starch, then drain them well. Next, prepare some pork belly slices. Make sure to remove the skin, otherwise the pork might be too tough after frying. For additional flavor, chop some green chili, red chili, and garlic. Heat some oil in the wok over medium-low heat. Add the drained potato slices, spreading them out evenly. Let them cook slowly until they develop a deep golden aromatic crust. The goal is a dry sealed texture, crispy and slightly charred on the outside while remaining soft and flavorful inside. Be careful not to burn them. Add some oil in the wok. Pour in the pork belly slices. Stir fry until the fat renders out. Then add the chopped green chili, red chili, and garlic. But if you prefer a milder taste, feel free to use green bell pepper and red bell pepper to instead. Once the aromatics release their fragrance, return the potato slices to the wok. Now season with 1½ tablespoons cooking wine, 1½ tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon sugar. Gently stir fry everything to mix the flavors. Then add some chopped garlic leaves and mix everything together one more time. For the final touch, add 1 tablespoon of Chinese black vinegar. Cover the wok and let it simmer for 10 seconds. Time's up! Let's plate the dish. Wow, this is incredibly fragrant and flavorful. You should definitely try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.